يا نفس إن لم تظفري لا تجزعي.
What are our problems? Alcohol? Today we have this Red Bull. I don't drink Red Bull. I drink the real stuff, brother. The good stuff. Girls, haram money. These are the problems that we face today. But how do these problems come? How do these problems come, my brothers? We said that the battle is between us and shaytan. Anyone here who has a girlfriend, anyone here who drinks alcohol, anyone here who drinks, smokes pot rather, hashish, cocaine, heroin, whatever it is, shaitan never came to you and said to you, brother, you should have a girlfriend now. How does he come? It's just a look. It's just a cigarette. No, I'm just trying it. I'm just trying it. You cannot outsmart shaitan. Shaitan has been there since when? He was there before Adam. He has more experience. Shaitan has more knowledge. Shaitan has more knowledge about Islam than you, me, and every scholar. Every scholar, every Maulana, Sheikh, Mufti, whatever you call him. If you collected all the scholars of the world and put them together here, Shaitan has more knowledge than all of them. Do not play games with Shaitan, my brother. Do not play games with your life. Do not take chances. Brother, you are here for 50, 60, 70. How long will you live? How long will you live? 100 years? 110? How long will you live? Then you will die, my brother. And then this dunya is all over. And then whoever of you he did good, you will see. And if you did bad, you will also see.